We've all seen it. The iconic James Bond Aston Martin DB5, the only car fit for Her Majesty's most lethal secret agent. But this one is particularly special. It was originally built by Aston Martin and came with...
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to take a look at the all-new 2024 Aston Martin DB5. This is a car that has been eagerly anticipated by fans of the brand, and it certainly does not disappoint. Exterior: the DB5 is a true stunner, with its sleek lines and elegant proportions. It's a car that looks like it belongs on the set of a James Bond movie. The front end is dominated by a large grille, which is flanked by slim headlights. The side profile is highlighted by a long, flowing roofline and muscular haunches, and the rear end is capped off by a pair of round taillights. Interior: the interior of the DB5 is just as impressive as the exterior. It's a luxurious and inviting space, with high-quality materials and plenty of creature comforts. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for both passengers and cargo. Engine: under the hood, the DB5 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 528 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which sends power to the rear wheels. The DB5 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, and it has a top speed of 199 miles per hour. Driving: the DB5 is a true driver's car. It's responsive and agile, and it handles like a dream. The steering is precise, and the brakes are powerful. The DB5 is also very comfortable to drive, even on long journeys. The 2024 Aston Martin DB5 is a truly remarkable car. It's beautiful, luxurious, and powerful. It's a car that will turn heads wherever you go. If you're looking for a car that is both stylish and exciting to drive, then the DB5 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.